Howdy folks, my name is Ethan with Worldwide RV, and today we're going to take a look through this very cozy Class B motorhome, the 2023 Jayco Swift 20D. Starting with the exterior, this motorhome is based on the Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis. I'll throw some specs up on screen so you can go ahead and pause here if those interest you. This unit features a massive 13-foot tool awning that is electrically driven and has an LED light strip built in. Underneath the body of this vehicle, this unit is equipped with Jayco's J-Ride system, giving you Hellwig helper springs and STD premium heavy-duty suspension, so your ride going down the road is super smooth. Hopping inside, you'll see dual swivel captain seats, along with 2 additional diamond stitch seats inside if you're planning a day trip with friends. Look above you from there, and you'll see the pop-top mounted bed, allowing you to sleep up to 4 people total. Inside the living area of the Swift 20D, you'll get a hidden wet bath with toilet, mirror, and a swivel-mounted shower head. Right across from that is your tall 5.3 cubic foot refrigerator and double-stacked pantry. Further down, you'll get a 76-inch sofa that is easily converted into an extended bed for more sleeping room. Next to your kitchen, which has a single burner electric stovetop on solid countertop, next to your chrome residential sink. Featured throughout the interior, you'll see many collapsible hidden power outlets. If you'd like to come and test drive this fantastic motorhome, feel free to give us a call at 480-832-5600 or simply visit our website, worldwiderv.com.